records 28,701 COVID-19 cases, 500 deaths in 24 hours. India recorded its highest single-day spike of 28,701 coronavirus cases and 500 deaths in the last 24 hours, pushing the total tally to 8,78,254 cases with the total number of 23,174 deaths, the Health Ministry's data stated on Monday. As many as 5,53,470 patients have recovered, over twice the number of active patients, which stand at 3,01,609. Drunkard dead after falling in drainage. In Khammam, an incident of a drunkard fell in drainage and deceased took place in UPH colony in Khanapuram in Khammam district. Mallepalli Ravi, of 40 years age, from Metapuram village, went near the drainage to have a nature call and slipped into it. Locals informed the condition to police, who later visited the place and started inquiry. The complete clarity on the case is yet to be known. 10 million kids may never return to school after coronavirus. The coronavirus pandemic has caused an unprecedented education emergency, with up to 9.7 million children affected by school closure at risk of never going back to school. For the first time in human history, an entire generation of children globally have had their education disrupted. Bonalu Oracle warns of dangerous days ahead. The oracle, Swarna Lata, who took part in the Rangam ritual conducted as part of the two-day Bonalu festival at Sri Ujjain temple in Sikandrabad on Monday, has cautioned the people to be careful in the next few days in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. Tamil Nadu may not be able to hold final SEM exams by September, says CM to Centre. Tamil Nadu CM Edappadi K. Palaniswamy has written to Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal, saying that state may not be in a position to conduct final semester exams by September as mandated by new UGC guidelines. He further requested Centre to grant the states freedom to work out on their own assessment methods without compromising on the quality and academic credibility. I am absolutely fine, says BJP MP Hema Malini on rumours of ill health. BJP MP Hema Malini on Sunday refuted rumours of her ill health in a video message posted on Twitter. Rumours are being spread that I am unwell and have been admitted to a hospital. I would like to inform all my well-wishers that nothing is wrong with me. I am absolutely fine and healthy, said the Lok Sabha MP from Mathura. Father of murdered 5-year-old Hyderabad girl allegedly dies by suicide. The father of a 5-year-old Hyderabad girl, Adhya, who was murdered on July 2nd, has allegedly died by suicide, police said. The body of the 37-year-old victim was found on Saturday on the railway tracks at Bhongir. Police suspect that the man, unable to endure the pain of losing his only daughter, jumped in front of a moving train and died.